Hey there, welcome to today's video. Have you ever encountered a problem with your computer where the screen suddenly goes black, but you can still hear the sound coming from your game or movie? This frustrating problem is more common than you might think, but luckily there's a solution that can help you fix it. Now, let's talk about the solution to this annoying issue. The key to resolving the problem of your screen going black while still hearing audio is to update your graphics driver. Sometimes, an outdated or corrupted graphics driver can cause this problem. By updating to the latest version of the driver, you can potentially resolve the issue and get back to enjoying your favorite content without interruptions. Updating a graphics driver is a simple process that can be done in just a few steps. You can either visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer and download the latest driver from there, or use a driver update tool to automatically update it for you. Once the new driver is installed, restart your computer and see if the problem has been resolved. In summary, if you're experiencing the issue of your screen going black while still hearing audio, try updating your graphics driver to see if that fixes the problem. Ultimately, this solution will help you get back to your gaming or movie watching sessions without any more interruptions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy computing!